Can you really make money on Pinterest? I bet that's a thought that has run through your head. And then the very next thought is, or is it just an online scam? It seems too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, I'm going to be sharing 8 legit ways that you can make money with Pinterest. Whether you're a creator, a small business owner, or a brand, no matter the niche, your business model, or the industry that you're in, I can bet you are going to learn at least one way that you are leaving an opportunity for you and your business on the table. Now, this is no hype, no hacks. These aren't overnight tactics that are going to get you in trouble or that are slimy or going to get you banned from the platform. These are all Pinterest approved methods to monetize your Pinterest audience. I have helped thousands of business owners, creators, and brands just like you learn how to create more traffic and more revenue using Pinterest. Now, my name is Megan. I'm a Pinterest marketing expert, but I'm also known for a deep level of expertise with helping you grow your online business. Whether you're looking to drive more traffic, generate clients, or email leads, been there, done it. Like I said, I've helped thousands of people, and I am so sick and tired of all these fake income claims and really slimy short videos that don't teach you anything. So today I want to lay it out, and I bet you've seen the same videos that I have, making huge promises but teaching nothing. There's literally no substance to those videos. I'm only ever going to teach you things that are approved by Pinterest. So in this video, I'm going to break down 8 real revenue streams that are working right now. So it's 2025. These are for creators, bloggers, product sellers, service providers, or people who want to work in affiliate marketing. So number 1, affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you can earn a commission when somebody clicks on your unique link that comes from an approved program that you're participating in, clicks on your affiliate links and makes a purchase, okay? So this can be a direct link that you share on a Pinterest post or Pinterest pin, or it can be an affiliate link that's embedded in a long format piece of content. Typically, this is something like a blog on your website, a landing page on your website, or you could even be leveraging video like a YouTube video, but that you are promoting that thing on Pinterest. This is really, really great for seasonal content or evergreen content and things like gift guides, recommendations, or how you did something. So beginning to end, how you decorated a room, what you're packing in your capsule wardrobe, or as an online business owner, my favorite tech. These are all opportunities for you to share a unique link that's associated with you as a participant, an approved participant in an affiliate program. And that is the number one way that business owners, creators are monetizing their Pinterest audience. The second method is by selling digital or physical products. Now, they're not selling them right on Pinterest. They are selling them on another website. So when people talk about this, they talk about Pinterest payouts. They're really not telling you how, like what the flow from beginning to end is. So your Pinterest post or Pinterest pin can have a link with it. That link can link to a digital product that you sell or a physical product that you sell. So just like other social media platforms or marketing platforms, you are creating content that promotes the thing that you sell. Pinterest will help get more eyes on your products, create visibility and brand awareness, but what you need them to do is to leave the platform, come to the place that's selling your product. So it could be a third-party website like Etsy or Spoonflower, or it could be right on your own website if you use an e-commerce platform, but WooCommerce or Shopify. And then if you're like me, you might use a digital product platform. I personally use Thrivecart. I'm going to make the joke that's a perfect opportunity for me to share an affiliate link as somebody who's made over $1 million selling digital products. I use Thrivecart to process all my sales of my digital products. So whether you're selling ebooks, templates, courses, handmade products, art, if you want to sell something, you could be creating pins that are directly linking to the products that you sell. And Pinterest can really become a powerful traffic driver and create visibility for your listings. You do need to bring people from the platform to the actual product. Now, the thing that I love most about Pinterest is it's not just like we're posting it and it's getting lost in the feed. Pinterest is a visual search engine. So by utilizing Pinterest SEO or Pinterest keywords, you are building in discovery of your digital or physical products later so that anyone searching for those things, a guide on how to run a yard sale, how to raise a puppy, how to train a puppy, how to eat more protein. Maybe I'm looking for an Easter basket. Maybe I'm looking for a handmade sweater or a vintage item or abstract art. People can be paired based on their search queries with the product that you're selling. Now, the next way that I see so many people making money with the assistance or help of Pinterest is by having ads on their website or blog. So this is a method of blog monetization that's very popular with full-time content creators or bloggers. It means that they have signed up for an ad network like Mediavine. And so that when people come to their website to read their blog content, to navigate around and look at their pages, people are discovering their website, staying on site, and while they're perusing your blog or your website, there is strategic advertising that's appearing on your website. And so those ad platforms pay you as a content creator to be able to have that ad space on your website. This is how a lot of my full-time bloggers make their money, especially from September to January 1st, when we know a lot of people are online. There's a lot of buying power during that time of year. Those ad networks will pay you for sessions and page views, and Pinterest can help bring up your numbers, especially if you've been affected by the Google updates or you aren't able to drive traffic with other platforms like Instagram or Facebook or even TikTok. A lot of platforms want to keep their users in the platform, but not Pinterest. Next up, brand partnerships or sponsored content. Brands and business owners will pay creators and bloggers to promote their products on their blog or even write on Pinterest. So there are creators who are being paid in their brand collabs to share those products, to talk about those products in a positive way. This is obviously something that needs to be disclosed, but you have to declare that partnership so that your audience knows that you are being financially compensated in some way to talk about that brand. And being honest and transparent is really, really important. But this is really great for people who want to extend their reach. So even if you're an influencer, a UGC creator on another platform, and you want to add it into your brand kit that you also are going to be sharing that content to Pinterest, you can ask for more money. And this creates longevity and extends the reach of that project with you. So you could be doing your obviously pins leading to the blog post. You could have video content featuring it and tag them, and it lives so much longer than stories or reels. I want you to really think, with all the monetization methods that I've already shared, which one do you think makes most sense for your business? So depending on whether, are you a creator or UGC creator, a blogger? Are you a small business owner who uses certain tools? Maybe you are a brand and you have other companies that you collab with or sister partnerships. I think no matter your business model, you probably have tricks and tools and things that you recommend. I know that I certainly, when I started my business, a lot of people asked me, how did I pick my gear? What products or coaching programs have I taken? Who do I recommend for people to work with? And the thing is that people really want that shortcut. They want to know who you recommend and your honest review of using it. So if something has helped you, you can be paid to basically talk about it in a positive way and to share your very real story. Now, of course, we're always disclosing those relationships, but I want you to think about what makes sense for your business model, for how you make money. Do people ask you questions about what you buy and what you use in your own business? Now, next up, and it's a less common method, but definitely legitimate, is actually offering Pinterest management services. So this means that you are a social media manager for Pinterest, for a business owner, for a brand, and you get compensated to help them with their monthly Pinterest marketing activities. You could do account setup, you can help fill their schedule schedule with high original content, valuable pins that help them grow when it comes to their marketing, or you could do done for you setup. There's so many different things that you can do. And this is a really wonderful service niche. Honestly, I get emails all the time. Now, next up is one of my favorite things to talk about, and it's growing your email list. So if you have monetized your email list or created a sales funnel of any variety that has email sequences built out with it, Pinterest is so incredibly powerful for building your email list. And once people join your list, maybe they enter a welcome or a nurture sequence, or maybe they sign up for something that you have, it's an opportunity for you to nurture, to convert or sell to them, and or launch a product via your automated email sequences. So whether it's a tripwire, you have products that you can sell, or even in your welcome sequence, you share affiliate links. There are so many different ways that you can monetize your sales funnel that's already working, maybe from another platform, maybe you're just getting it set up, but it will be fueled by more people entering your funnel using Pinterest. So Pinterest will have those people discover you, sign up for your lead magnet, your opt-in, or even buy a low ticket tool or resource from you, and then enter that funnel where they're going to want to learn more about you and how they can keep learning from you. Next up, this is not a method that's used by that many people, but I wanted to share it with you because I think it's a huge opportunity for membership owners or people who have paid communities. And paid communities are massive. I feel like a lot of creator coaches, a lot of business owners are talking about this real drive that people are seeking community, they're seeking connection and real life support. If you run a Patreon, a paid Facebook group, a Kajabi community, a membership, even a Substack, Pinterest can help drive interest and signups to your paid communities. This is really, really wonderful if you've already created blog content, high value content, or you've already created that private tutorials or freebies or templates that help people, and then you can bring them into your funnel for your paid community. Of course, if you're in the online space, you might offer coaching, workshops, paid trainings. You can promote your live or evergreen offers, VIP days, coaching sessions. Remember, if people are searching for it, you need to be on Pinterest, and Pinterest can drive that traffic to your opt-ins, to your registration pages, and it's perfect for that discovery element. You want to bring them to those locations where you're actively nurturing, where you're creating relationships and converting your audiences. So these are 8 very, very easy things that you could be layering in to your marketing plan. If you found this video helpful, I want to remind you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do not want you to miss any of my Pinterest marketing videos, my online marketing growth videos. And honestly, I'm looking to branch out and to really just help you figure out this online business thing. I get so many questions every single day across my social media channels. And so the world is my oyster. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing on Pinterest to make sure that you learn from, step 0 all the way to step 100, I do have a very affordable affiliate marketing on Pinterest course that teaches you exactly how to start sharing affiliate links, whether it's on a blog or whether you're sharing those affiliate links right on Pinterest. I'm going to share a link for that in the caption. I want you to check out that pinning for profit. If you have any questions, let me know. Now, do not forget to tell me in the comments. I want you to share which Pinterest monetization method are you going to try first. So jump into the comments. Let me know if you have any more questions, and I cannot wait to see you smash your Pinterest goals this year.